Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today video I want to talk about my interested video. You see, that's why it's the FM radio. As you see, this one is the board, the PCB. You see, I starting to do soldering from the main IC, and then you see I soldering all the component, SMD, everything. I look, you see, everything I designing from the scratch. I was soldering the board from the main IC, and then continue to the resistor, capacitor. You see here, it's finished to soldering everything. The first board on this project, I designing the top board and the soldering both. This is the first one. It's like the main board. The second board is this one. Is the board for the display. You see, it's 7-segment display. You see, I creating the. You see, I have the 3. Also, I soldering everything, and after I cover it, you see how it look like. It look nice, and after I combining the board 1 and the board 2 to make something big, real. You see how it look like. It's so good. And because I designing this FM radio, I suppose I can displaying the thing, everything. And then after I use this one. This one is the tester of the FM radio. You see here, I testing the board. I try to testing the board and then check if it's working well. You see here, I try to selecting the some FM radio, alarm, the clock, everything. It can be setted. You see, I put the main board for the FM on the bottom and the FM board display on top. You see, this one is the enclosure. You see, I have a battery, antenna, and the bottom and the top enclosure and speaker, everything there is. So at the end, I combining everything. You see, right now my FM radio is full completed. You see, yeah, now it's so good. Everything, you can see everything right now. Now I just try to set FM right now to bring to check again if my radio is kind of working, changing on different line of FM. If you understand, try so. And I try to changing the volume, to increasing the volume and decreasing the volume to check if everything can work. Even when increasing the volume, you see the volume number on display, right? If you're setting the alarm, you can see on it. You see, this is the time. This is the FM. This displaying the show us if you're setting the alarm. Even when anything you change, anything you did on this FM, because I was trying to make something strong, right? You can playing the music and you can put it there, and then you can understanding the alarm. You can do anything, you know. I think you see there's some more interested in video for my project. You see, and on this project I was learning a lot of things, and then increasing my experience in the soldering SMD component and the true 4, and then the other thing, something I have to starting on it. You know, you see, I have SMD and I have the true 4, the components already mixed. So sometime if you're starting for the SMD, so it's not good. You have to starting from the big MCU, you know, that thing. To do this project, I learned a lot of things, you know. Right now it's working. If you are interested for this project, if you need the schematic diagram or need something like that, so you can press in the comment section Hope you like it. Subscribe and comment in section. Thank you. Bye bye.